Bruce, thanks for coming out to Newmarket Cars and Coffee.
Will, thank you. It's great to be out here. Thank you for this very, holy smokes, generous donation of $10,000. I'm speechless. Way to make me speechless, but thank you very, very much. You know, we're all about rare kidney cancers. We're helping probably anywhere between 2 to 3 patients a day now. We're global. We're helping people in Brazil, Australia, the Netherlands, Canada. If you want to look us up, it's driventocure.org. Every support, every dollar that we raise goes right to research. Thanks, guys. Thank you, Will. This is awesome, man. You guys rock.
No problem. Thank you for being
Cars
here.
and Coffee.
Hey, Spencer.